Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard state board business maths chapter 2 exercise 2.3. See the sixth sum. The sum is given like this. See here 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x. See here the differentiation of x is 1. The differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. If the sum is given like this, okay, if the sum is given like this, you can take it as this term as t. So, x plus 1 by x equal to t. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square equal to, because differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x and t become dt by dx and t become dt by dx. So, 1 minus 1 by x square into dx equal to, you can bring it to this side, equal to dt. 1 minus 1 by x square into dx equal to dt. Here, now you can use that integration. 1 minus 1 by x square e power x plus 1 by x into dx. Now you can substitute all the values in the given equation. See here, integral e power x plus 1 by x is nothing but what? T. So e power t. 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, what is that? dt. So now you integrate e power t. What is the integration of e power t? E power t. E power t plus c. But the sum is in a form of x. The answer should be in x only. So it gives e power. What is the t value? T is x plus 1 by x. T is x plus 1 by x plus c. Okay. See the seventh sum. Seventh sum 1 by x log x the whole square. See here, I will write it in such a way, 1 by x into 1 by log x the whole square. See, you can see the sum. If you differentiate any one of the term, you can get the next term. That term you can take it as some other variable. Is it clear for you? See children, if you differentiate any one of the term, whatever sum is given, if you differentiate any one of the term, you will be getting the next term. That differentiate, that term, you can take it as, see here, log x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So, integral 1 by x log x the whole square into dx. Now I am taking as log x equal to t. Now I am taking as log x equal to t. Differentiate x with respect, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x become what? 1 by x. Log x become 1 by x. That t become dt by dx. Whenever y differentiation you are getting the value dy by dx. The same way you can proceed for t also. T become dt by dx. So, dt by dx. So, what is that? 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is nothing but what? dt. Now, you substitute everything in the given equation. See here. So, integral 1 by x into 1 by log x the whole square into dx. So, it gives integral 1 by the t value, first you will write 1 by log x. Log x is nothing but what? T. First you will write that thing, 1 by t square. 1 by t square. 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is nothing but what? dt. 1 by x dx is nothing but what? dt. So, it gives integral t power minus 2. T power minus 2 into dt. Apply the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, it gives t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. T power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. See what is the answer for this? T power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. The power should not be negative. So you will write, the power should not be negative. So you will write minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t plus c. So it gives minus 1 by, what is the value of t? Log x. Log x minus 1 by log x plus c. So this is the answer. See the eighth sum, f dash of x equal to e power x and f of 0 equal to 2, then find f of x. See, I told you in the previous sum itself, what is this? Yeah, see, integral f of x is nothing but what? Integral f dash of x into dx. F dash of x into dx. So, f of x equal to integral e power x into dx. What is e power x? Yeah, e power x. Integration of e power x is e power x plus c. E power x plus c. F of x equal to e power x plus c. See what is given? F of 0 equal to 2. F of 0 equal to 2. In the place of x, what is the value here? 0. In the place of x, what is the value? 0. So, f of 0 equal to e power 0 plus c. Okay. But what is the value of f of 0? 2. 2 equal to e power 0 plus c. E power 0 plus c. What is the value of e power 0? E power 0 value is 1. So, 2 equal to 1 plus c. So, 2 minus 1 equal to c. So, what is the value of c? C equal to 1. So, substitute in the equation f of x. Substitute in 1 because they are asking the value, find out the value of f of x. So, f of x equal to e power x plus 1. E power x plus 1. This is f of x. See exercise 2.4, first sum, integrate. See, first you can put the integration sign separately. If you want, you can do it separately. 2 cos x into dx minus 3 integral sin x into dx plus 4 integral secant square x into dx minus 5 integral cosecant square x into dx. Cosecant square x into dx. So, it gives 2 into integral of cos x. What is the value? Sin x. Integral cos x is nothing but what? Sin x. Minus 3 into integral sin x is what? Minus cos x. Integral sin x is minus cos x. Plus 4 into integral secant square x is what? Tan x. Integral secant square x is tan x. Minus 5 into integral cosecant square x is nothing but what? Minus cot x. Minus cot x plus c. You will put at last one c. So, it gives 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 tan x plus 5 cot x plus c. See, integral sin cube x. If it is in a cube, we cannot able to integrate. So, first you can bring it into a form. What is the form? You know the formula, trigonometric formula. Sin 3x equal to, what is the trigonometric formula for sin 3x? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. You know very well, sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So, sin 3x minus 3 sin x equal to minus 4 sin cube x. From that you can bring the value of sin cube x. Okay, sin 3x minus 3 sin x equal to minus 4 sin cube x. You change the sign. So, 3 sin x positive minus sine 3x equal to 4 sine cube x. Is it clear? See here, change the sign throughout. So minus become plus. So 3 sine x minus sine 3x equal to 4 sine cube x. So sine cube x equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4. 3 sine cube x equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4 sine cube x equal. So you replaced that integral sine cube x equal to sine cube x dx equal to integral 3 sine x minus sine 3x sine 3x by 4 into dx. So it gives 1 by 4. If you want, you can take it as 1 by 4 constant, you can take it out. 3 sin x minus sin 3x into dx. I will do it straight away. See here, 1 by 4 into, what is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. So minus 3 cos x, because it is constant. It is in a multiplication. It is not sin 3x. Okay. Minus sin 3x. It's nothing but what? Minus cos 3x by x coefficient by 3 plus c. By 3 plus c. See here, is it clear? See here, it gives 1 by 4 into minus into minus become what? Plus. So cos 3x by 3 minus 3 cos x plus c. Minus 3 cos x plus c. See, third sum, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. You have a formula. What is that formula? Cos 2x. You have 3 formulas. Cos 2x in terms of cosine sin is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x in terms of cos is 2 cos square x minus 1. So you think and you substitute the formula here. See, sin square x. Okay. Cos 2x you can substitute here cos square x. So you see here cos 2x in terms of cos and sin. You apply the formula. So cos 2x equal to what? Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. 2 sin square x by cos square x. It gives cos square x 2 minus 1. 2 sin square x plus minus 1 sin square x, it becomes what? 1 plus sin square x by cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x value is 1. So it gives 1 by cos square x. You know the trigonometric value. So 1 by cos square x. What is 1 by cos? Yeah, secant. 1 by cos is secant. So it gives secant square x. So I simplified all the thing. Then I move on to the integration. So integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x into dx. It gives, what is the value? Simplified value, secant square x. Secant square x into dx. What is the integration of secant square x, ma? Tan x. Integration of secant square x nothing but what? Tan x plus c. Integral secant square x nothing but what? Tan x plus c. See, 1 by sin square x cos square x. What is that identity for 1? See here, sin square x plus cos square x. 1 is replaced by what? Sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x. So now you can split the term. Sin square x by sin square x cos square x plus, okay, cos square x by sin square x cos square x. Okay, sin square x get cancelled. Cos square x get cancelled. So what is the final thing here? 1 by cos square x plus 1 by sin square x. 1 by cos square x plus 1 by sin square x. Now you move on to the integration. See, 1 by cos square x plus 1 by sin square x into dx. So it gives, what is 1 by cos? Secant. 1 by cos square means secant square. So integral secant square x into dx plus integral 1 by sin square is nothing but what? Cosecant square x into dx. Cosecant square x into dx. Secant, integration of secant square x is nothing but what? Tan x minus integration of cosecant square is what? Minus cot x plus c. See the fifth sum, root of 1 minus sin 2x. See here, I replace that 1 by trigonometric value. What is the trigonometric value? Sin square x plus cos square x. 1 I can replace by what? Sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x. What is the formula for sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. See, root of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it gives a minus b the whole square formula. Sin x minus cos x, a minus b the whole square formula. Sin x minus cos x the whole square, and square and root get cancelled. What is the value you are getting? Sin x minus cos x. Square and root get cancelled. What is the value? Because sin x minus cos x the whole square, whole power 1 by 2. So the 2 get cancelled. So sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. Now you move on to the integration. See, integral root of 1 minus sin 2x into dx equal to integral sin x minus cos x into dx. See, what is the integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is nothing but what? Minus cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of cos x is nothing but what? Sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x, but integration of sin x is minus cos x. So you can take it as minus commonly out. What is the remaining thing you are having? Cos x plus sin x plus c. Minus you can take it out, cos x plus sin x plus c. See, it's a very important exercise. Exercise 2.5. What is the first one? X e power x dx. See, it is in a product. X term, it is in a product. You can use it as two methods. One is Bernoulli's method and another one is reduction formula. First one is Bernoulli's method. Bernoulli's formula. What is that Bernoulli's formula? Integral u dv equal to u v minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. It goes on like this. Integral u dv equal to. The next one you can use it as a reduction formula. You can use it as a reduction formula. What is the reduction formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. uv minus integral v du. When this one is applied and when this is applied. See here, if the Bernoulli is applied only for u equal to x power n and x is a positive integer. That power is also, if it is the power is x power n also, we cannot able to do the sum. We can apply for the reduction formula only. If the power is the limited, n takes the value minimum positive integer, so we can apply this formula. Okay, integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. If the power is, if the power you can takes the value algebraic, that is x power n. You can takes the value x power n is a positive integer. How we can find out which one is u and which one is dv? See, so we can use the formula I late. I is nothing but inverse trigonometric. I is nothing but what? Inverse trigonometric. What is that inverse trigonometric? It means sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, it moves on like this. L is nothing but logarithmic function, log values. A is nothing but algebraic function, x square, it goes on. T is nothing but trigonometric function, sin x, cos x, tan x, like this. E is nothing but exponential function, e power x, e power 2x, e power 3x, e power minus x, like this. Okay, see which one comes first, that you can take it as u. In the given sum, they are take it as x e power x. See here in the sum, x is algebraic and exponential. This is algebraic and this is exponential. This is algebraic and this is exponential. Which is comes first? A. So that A you can take it as u. You can give the first preference to u. Okay, you can see which one is comes first. See, A is comes first, so A is u. Then exponential, you can take it as integral dv. Remaining part is, if u is left out, what is the remaining part? Integral dv. Remaining part fully you can take it as integral dv. See, this is algebraic. I told you, if it is x power n, that is that n is a positive integer, if number comes x power 1 is a u, means this is nothing but what? Integral dv. If u is in a place of if u in a place of x power n, we can use Bernoulli's formula. We can use Bernoulli's formula, or otherwise for all the sum you can use it for reduction formula. When you are going to the college, they can use this formula only. See here. So, x power, you check it. If u term is x to the power n, and n is a positive integer, you can apply the what formula? Bernoulli's formula. That too you will check first. X is in the place of u, x power n in the place of u. So now it is clear, x in the place of u, that is algebraic first comes, then exponential next, x in the place of u. So I applied the formula. What is formula? Bernoulli's formula. Now we move on to the sum. See, here I can take it as u equal to x, integral dv, whatever thing remaining you can take it as the remaining part, integral dv equal to integral e power x into dx. So u dash means this is differentiation and this is integration. So u dash equal to 1 because differentiation of x is 1. U double dash equal to 0. That's all it will end up. Next, v, it ends up v equal to e power x. V equal to e power x. v1 again it will integrate. It gives what again? E power x plus c. We will do it in the sum, no problem. See here, what is the formula? By Bernoulli. What is that? Integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. So integral, what is u? X. What is dv? E power x into dx equal to what is u? X. What is v? E power x minus what is u dash? 1. What is v1? E power x. What is u double dash? 0. So that's all. It ends. So it gives x e power x minus e power x, x e power x minus e power x plus c. X e power x minus e power x plus c. That is e power x is common, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? X minus 1 plus c. X minus 1 plus c. See, you keep in your mind, if u is x power n, that n is also a positive integer, that time you can apply a formula for Bernoulli.